Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. As the launching date of Galaxy S25 series is fast approaching, OnLeaks revealed the Galaxy S25 Ultra design. The device comes with slightly rounded corners, a flat display, Fold 6 inspired camera rings, and a sleek yet durable titanium build. We heard that titanium gray would be the signature color, while other options could include titanium black, titanium blue, and titanium silver. The device is rumored to use a 6.86-inch. The panel will be dynamic AMOLED 2X with QHD Plus resolution, 120Hz intelligent refresh rate, and high brightness. The M14 OLED is unlikely due to cost controls. The Galaxy S25 Ultra will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite or 8 Gen 4 chip. Qualcomm's in-house Oryon CPU delivers major performance improvement. Anticipated configurations include 12GB and 16GB of RAM with storage options ranging from 256GB to 1TB. Samsung could stick with a 200MP primary camera, but photography improvements are expected through Galaxy AI-derived features. The flagship will get an upgraded 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera to enhance landscape photography capabilities. It's expected to house a 5000 mAh battery, offering longer endurance thanks to optimized One UI 7.1 and Snapdragon 8 Elite. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra will continue to ship with 45W fast wired charging. Samsung usually launches its Galaxy S series around January or February, so we expect the Galaxy S25 series to stick to that schedule, with global release anticipated by January 2025. The price similar to the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The price of the S25 Ultra could start at $1,199 for the 12GB of 256GB model, with higher tier versions going up to $1,499 or more. That is it guys. Without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.